manufacturing is undergoing rapid advancements. In a traditional way, you look through the spreadsheets to get an idea of your stock and plan to produce and deliver the orders, but some of your records may be outdated, so you miss the delivery deadline and your customers are not happy. You need the most advanced software to compete in today's market. Axolon provides the right tools to plan and manage manufacturing activities, and ensure quality and on-time delivery. With Axolon you could bring manufacturing, inventory and warehouse management, workforce management, sales and purchase all onto one platform. Use the latest industry-specific features to schedule, track, analyze and improve your operations that results in faster delivery and lower production cost. By properly defining workflow operations. With Axolon, every aspect of manufacturing is addressed, beginning with order management, planning for production either against the order or make to stock, and better utilization of machines. Axolon improves productivity, reduces planned and unplanned downtime. Use Axolon's advanced AI tools to get a real-time view of every order, production, and stock to proactively manage the shop floor to improve quality and production time. Your inventory levels are automatically updated so that you can always maintain a healthy stock. Gain a competitive advantage with Axolon. For more information, please do contact our team.